Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. No serious operator managing gigawatts of solar capacity can inspect everything manually at the speed modern portfolios require. That is not a criticism of field teams. It is a scale problem. When people hear AI in solar, they often imagine a replacement story. Human versus machine is a lazy framing for real operations. The actual question is which parts of the inspection workflow need human judgment and which parts should never depend on human bandwidth. Humans are strong at context, edge cases, escalation, and final decisions. AI is strong at repetition, anomaly screening, cross-checking large data volumes, and never getting tired halfway through a backlog. Use the rule of 3. Manual-only inspection breaks at volume, consistency, and speed. First, volume. A multi-gigawatt portfolio generates more images, alarms, reports, and asset events than a small team can review deeply. Second, consistency. 2 reviewers will not always classify the same anomaly the same way. Third, speed. Delayed inspection means delayed recovery. You might think AI inspection means trusting a black box. It should not. In a serious operating model, AI does the first-pass screening and humans review the prioritized findings with evidence attached. That is the difference between automation theater and useful automation. Good AI does not hide the reasoning. It gives the operator a faster starting point. Here is the anomaly, here is the asset, here is the confidence, here are the neighboring signals, and here is why it deserves attention. Mid-video review, we have covered where manual inspection fails and where AI helps. The final piece is what this means for team design. The goal is not fewer experts. The goal is better use of experts. When engineers spend less time triaging obvious events, they spend more time on root cause analysis, contractor management, and portfolio-level decisions. That is a big shift in value. Instead of paying skilled people to search for needles in a haystack, you let the system narrow the haystack first. The human team becomes more strategic because the repetitive filtering is already done. In practical terms, that means faster inspection cycles, more consistent defect classification, and shorter time from anomaly to work order. For large portfolios, those gains are not optional anymore. They are operational infrastructure. The next step is not to ask whether humans or AI should win. The next step is to redesign the workflow so each one handles the part they are actually best at. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.